Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping so the stickers bond right away. Clean each nail with 90% plus alcohol, then dry. This removes oils that repel glue. Once done, select sticker sizes that match your nail width with about 1/16-inch clearance to prevent lift. Make sure to push cuticles back and lightly buff the surface. This creates microscopic texture for glue to grab. Now that nails are dry and the sizes are chosen, move straight to applying glue and stickers. You'll work methodically, one nail at a time. Apply a thin bead of nail glue near the cuticle line. Avoid globbing it over the free edge because it squishes out. Then place the sticker with the rounded side at the cuticle, set center first, press down and slide slightly outward to seat it. Once seated, hold steady pressure for about 10 to 15 seconds so the bond forms. Make sure alignment is perfect before releasing. Small adjustments now prevent lifting later. You finish by shaping and sealing for durability. File the sticker excess at the free edge with light, single direction strokes so it follows your nail arc. Once filed, apply a thin top coat or a tiny dab of glue along the edges to lock everything down. This reduces snagging. If a sticker lifts later, don't peel harshly. Clean the area, apply a small amount of glue under the lifted edge, then press and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. That quick fix usually restores adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.